Hey everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to sign up for EDpuzzle. So if you've never used an EDpuzzle before, basically it is a YouTube that is linked specifically to an account you have and basically allows you to interact with a lesson or interact with a video in a different way than YouTube can. So to begin to sign up, you need to first go to EDpuzzle's website, which is just going to be edpuzzle.com. And once you're there, you're simply going to come over here and say, I'm a new student. And by doing that, it's going to bring up this box here. So you have a couple different options. The first option, and probably the easiest option, is if you already have a Gmail or a Google account, is to create your account by simply just clicking on this Google icon. And once that pops up, you can sign in using your Gmail account. So it's just less passwords and less information that you need. However, if you do not have a Gmail or if you don't want to use your Gmail, you can manually sign up down here by filling this information out. And so let me fill that out real quickly. And there's my information. Now, one thing that might happen to you is with your username. Let's say you use your Happer Horsham username and it says it's already being used. All I would simply do is add some numbers at the end of it. I added 1, 2, 3, but you could add your year of birth or something else that you can remember by. Email is optional. You don't have to link it with an email account. However, it would be helpful if you have one in case you forget your password. That gives you an opportunity to reset it. As of the recording of this video, using your Happer or Horsham email is actually not useful because you can only send emails internally from your Happer or Horsham account. Therefore, using that here would be useless. So make sure you use a personal email here, or Gmail, Hotmail, Comcast, Verizon, whatever it may be. So once that's all done, you're going to go ahead and click sign up. Try that again. And we are now signed in. We are now part of EDpuzzle. But there's nothing here to do. What you actually have to do to begin is join a class. And again, this is going to be a unique code that I will have for you listed on Canvas. So make sure in Canvas you go under Module 0 and click on the information for EDpuzzle. So what you'll do is click Join Class. It's going to ask you to enter a class code. Now this class code, again, is specific to your class. So I'm typing one in here, but this code that I am currently typing in may not be your code. So please make sure you check that. But you will be clicking on that. You will hit this search icon, and it will confirm that this is the course that you want. So as you can see, I'm enrolling in Academic Algebra 1. If that's the course that you're in the good place. However, if it's not, you need to make sure to go back and confirm that you have the correct code. Once that's done, you go ahead and just press join. Now, the nice thing about EDpuzzle is it does have its own unique website. As you can see here, we already have an assignment listed here that I just due September 8th that I can actually do right here through EDpuzzle. However, what I will be more than likely doing is embedding these inside of our Canvas course. So actually, other than what you're seeing right here, this may be the last time you ever see EDpuzzle's website. For example, you may see on a certain web page like this, if you scroll down, you will see an EDpuzzle assignment listed right here on Canvas. And this is how you will most likely interact with the page. And so in this case, I'm not joining here because I signed up for a different class, but it will normally say log in, and then you can actually begin watching your video and going through your assignment. Any questions that you have about signing up for EDpuzzle, please let me know. But go back and watch this video if you need any help to get yourself signed in. The key is go to edpuzzle.com, sign in either using your Google account or creating your own account. But once you're in, make sure you enter the correct class code. And that class code will be found on the EDpuzzle page on modules inside of Canvas.